This is Mike at Riverview Turfworks. I'm going to show you a before and after the flower bed kind of spring cleanup we're doing. Most of the shrubs on this side of the house are getting trimmed. And weeds are getting pulled, new mulch is going to be installed. Alright, got this job all finished up. Black mulch, most of the hedge is trimmed. This job ran $1,220. If you have a similar situation, I'll give you an idea of about what it'll cost to do all of it. A big part of this job though was the weed pulling, because the flower beds were just infested with grass, and grass is very hard to pull because it has a pretty strong root system usually.